Hi and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys and girls how to make two items, garlic fingers and Donair dipping sauce. And the garlic fingers is something I was introduced to when I was living in Moncton, New Brunswick in the 1990s by going to a fast food joint called Greco's. And another one was Pizza Delight. And it's a really popular food item down there, and I think it's served across North America. Super easy to make. It only requires a great pizza dough recipe, which I have on one of my channels. I made it recently. I'll put a link to it somewhere in this video. And the Donair sauce only requires 3 simple ingredients, and that's it. Let's go. All you need is 5 garlic buds. I already did a couple here already, and a garlic press really does a nice job with this. So just press out the garlic to nice little minute pieces, cut off the rest, and dispose of the big pieces. I'm going to put the minced garlic buds into the quarter cup of melted butter, and just to get it a little bit firmer, I'm going to put it in my fridge for a while I'm rolling out my pizza dough. So in my recipe, I'm using condensed creamer instead of the traditional ingredient that is evaporated milk, but that requires that you put in about a half a cup or so of sugar. This already has sugar in it, so I think it's going to be okay. We'll wait and see. And then it's 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. So I used almost the whole can, which was 300 milliliters. So in here's around 275 mil approximately. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of the garlic powder, and then 2 tablespoons approximately of vinegar. So we're going to see what 2 tablespoons does to thicken this up. And the secret is not to over stir this mixture, or it'll get really runny. As soon as this is done stirring, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator to thicken even more. So I'll leave it like that, and we'll get on making the pizza. So I already went ahead and rolled out the dough and put it on my greased pizza pan, and now I'm just going to take the garlic butter mixture and with a silicone brush and just start spreading it all on top of my pizza dough. And I think, if I recall, this is like a 12-inch pizza pan, and so this recipe will definitely make enough garlic butter for this recipe. So go right up to the edges, and if you like more garlic, so there's 5 garlic buds in here. If you like more garlic, go ahead, add more. We're gonna add it all on here. I don't want to be cheap. Let's use it up because I can't use that for anything else today or tomorrow, so I don't want to waste it. Just spread it on, and I can see all the nice garlic chunks in there, really small, teeny pieces. It's going to be perfect. Let's get this whole thing covered, and I think we're good. So let me go get the cheese. So I'm going to be adding approximately 1 cup of mozzarella. So I'm going to, I don't have much of the pizza mozzarella left, and I'm going to add another one just to top that up, and just spread that out evenly right to the edges. using is great value as well. It's Italian style that has skim milk, mozzarella, provolone, and Parmesan cheese. And this smells really nice. But you can use whatever version of mozzarella you have in your fridge, and that's it. You make your own rules. If you like 2 cups of mozzarella, go ahead, add 2 cups. But I think this here, that should be enough. So I'm going to just stop right there. I'm just waiting for my oven to heat up, and then we're going to pop that in, and we can have dinner. And there you have it. Delicious garlic fingers. Nice thin slivers of garlic pizza. Oh, it's going to be so good, and it's cooked to perfection. And we have our beautiful Donair sauce, nice and thick and gooey to stick to our slices. And I just want to try as well some pizza sauce, just to see what that's like. So let me grab one of these things and start dipping. Beautiful. That sauce is amazing. And no, by the way, I'm not going to eat the whole pan of pizza. This is just here for presentation. So let's try it. Gotta finish chewing this. Let's try it with the pizza sauce. I'm sure it's going to be just as good. Oh wow. Holy moly. Either way, pizza sauce or Donair sauce with these garlic fingers is absolutely perfect. So just cut up the whole thing, and when you're done eating, just put it into a plastic container with a airtight lid, and this will last a number of days in your fridge. Same thing with the Donair sauce. It'll stay, I'm sure, at least 3 days in a tight container. So thank you once again for visiting my channel. Please do give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe. And as always, give this recipe a try. This is so super simple. It's crazy. And either as a meal with a salad, or as an hors d'oeuvre, whatever. It's an excellent choice of food to make for your family and friends. So thanks again. Drop by again soon. Take care of yourself. Bye now.